since 1990. The launch of China's first 5-ton full swing-wheeled excavator. We have pursued various endeavors fearlessly to build a better future. And we are exploring the unknown to make our imaginations come true. Hubungi, Xinyuan Heavy Industries Company Limited, an innovative modern enterprise specializing in the field of construction machinery. We are committed to pioneering industry-leading technologies, firmly to the unique belief that innovation creates the future. We shape every detail with craftsmanship. With mature and advanced manufacturing technology and the quality-centered production concept, we are launching a new generation of products with more beautiful appearance and unique style, creating new scenes, new looks, and scaling new heights. Xinyuan Excavators, with unique brand recognition and extraordinary product strength, are worthy of each customer's trust and expectations. The feature of continuous throughout the life cycle allows us to work with the users to deliver products and services of higher quality and innovative technologies. Pragmatism, focus, persistence, reverence, and gratitude. Xinyuan culture always guides our attitudes and actions, driving everyone to make progress, infinite creations and challenges. We will work hard to fulfill our original aspiration and realize more beautiful visions. We will break the shackles and move forward fearlessly with the attitude of transcendence and keep exploring new heights.